whole neighborhood comes here to grind chili during the fall time, right?
Yep.
Fall. And only few household has this. In this neighborhood, I think we have this. So people come here. I kind of remember slightly about this tree. It's like a dream, I think. That's illo. That's our yard. Yeah, this is a yard where we meal. I don't think it's meal. What's it called? Yeah, we harvest. After harvest, we beat the wheat and get separate husk and the wheat. That's where we do it. Over there, that's our distillation. We make alcohol there. And I think on the bottom, it's a 욕실. This is multi-purpose used on the bottom. We use it to keep kettles. Because winter time, cattle can't stay up in the hill. It's too cold. So winter time, they come down and we keep it here. Also, like a storage for hay. Yeah, I think it's been so long that now it's broken down house. And there's no way to go up. It would be nice to go up.
Yeah.
Yeah.